What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm pretty sure I know exactly what this is. This could be one of the most rare things in history. It could also be something else that I forgot that I ordered. So I'm going to be very, very, very careful opening this. This shipped from Smyrna, Georgia, to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, hit the notification bell, and find out my next video. Oh yeah. This right here is one of the rarest WWE Home videos that's out there. This is Trish Stratus, Stratusfaction guaranteed, or Stratusfaction 100% guaranteed. Now, that is a normal, DVD release. But what makes this a little bit more special is the special collector's edition. This, this without that is just a normal... I don't know how many prints they actually made, but there's several thousand probably. This is an FYE exclusive. If FYE, if you remember your mall used to have one, this is super rare. I don't know the exact number, but they're very, 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 very rare. Like, I don't know if it's hundreds or small thousands, but there's not a tremendous amount of them. So there's different levels of collecting. Like, there's just the, I'm going to rent, I'm not going to buy. Then there's, I'm just going to get, the normal releases. But then when you start hunting for the special collector's editions from FYE, it gets pretty tedious. Now, I have not opened this yet. You saw me open this package. Now, what will make this even more valuable is if obviously if the DVD's in there and there's no scratches. But if there is the insert that came in here, it is worth a lot more. Now, I bought it off eBay, and the seller was advertising it with the insert, so you're going to see it before me. Oh, yeah. Bow, bow, chicka, 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 chicka. Bow, bow. DVD looks good. Put this right back in there. Be safe. And then take this insert out. Tear this insert up. No, I'm not even. So the insert's there. It's got the lovely Trish Stratus right there. So there's people that are weird in how they open stuff and how they collect it. Some people throw away the inserts. Some people throw away the cases. They just put them in binders. And I mean, nowadays in 2021, most people aren't. They're just streaming, which is understandable, I know. But this is like just super rare. I've seen these go for in the very high $200 to $300 range. It just depends. I mean, it's worth what someone's willing to pay for it. It's going back in that thing, and it's going to be safe. So most people don't have the special collector's edition in their collection. I have like 4 or 5 now. Eventually I'm going to probably sell. But right now I'm just, I just randomly looked and it was on eBay and I said, oh, that's a good price. That's a reasonable investment in my portfolio. I don't know. But, so yeah, I think I have 4 now. I have 1 sealed and I have 3 loose. And then I have the regular 100% Stratusfaction guaranteed. So it's a pretty darn rare DVD, and I have 4. If you have a very rare wrestling DVD and you think I might be interested, slide up in my DMs. As always, thanks a lot for watching. Please cash at me at London Hawthorne, or just hit the notification bell, subscribe, share my videos. I wish you the best. What do you collect? I'm kind of out of the game. If you watch some of my older videos, you'll see that I was buying DVDs left and right, going crazy, Blu-rays. I've cut back drastically. I do have a very, very, very rare DVD unboxing coming up, though. I bought this one, and here's a hint. It's the rarest TNA DVD in history, and it's one of the rarest wrestling DVDs in history. It's one of the rarest DVDs in history. But I'll give you a hint. It's the TNA 3 Live Crew DVD, and it will be The unboxing will be uploaded probably when this one is, so check that out. Thanks a lot for watching. I wish you the best. Have a great day.